This video will take you through the steps for online bidding. Through each step, we will go through the process of filling in the form via online mode. Click on the link shared. IPO details will be visible on the screen. Client needs to click on the Invest Now button. IPO series will be displayed to the client. Client can click on the Sign Up option for further processing for bidding. The client should then capture email ID and mobile number in the assigned slots and click on Sign Up. Client will receive separate OTPs on his mobile number and email ID for verification. Enter the OTPs in the assigned slots. Upon capturing of OTPs, an online application bidding page will be opened for details submission. Client should capture applicant details like first applicant name and PAN, second applicant name and PAN, third applicant name and PAN, date of birth, name of guardian if applicant is minor. Note: capture address details if you wish to apply for ASBA mechanism. Capture depository details or demat account details, like select depository that is NSDL or CDSL. Capture DPID and client ID. Capture investment details. Select any series of choice for investment and capture the investment amount. Note: minimum application amount ₹10,000 and in multiples of ₹1,000 thereafter. Investor category and subcategory are automatically captured based on the application amount. Client to select UPI or ASBA payment mechanism. UPI is by default selected on the screen. Client should capture UPI code in the bank UPI ID window and use tab to populate approved UPI code. If client opted for ASBA facility, then he needs to select bank name, capture bank account number, bank IFSC code, account holder name, bank branch, and location of bank wherein client will submit the application form. Finally, the client must click the Save button for IPO bidding. Upon submission of bidding, success acknowledgement will be displayed to the client. Also, an automated IPO bidding email will be sent to client, which will consist of application details. In case of UPI mechanism. In case the client opts for UPI, then he is not required to submit a physical application form anywhere. Client to accept or authorize UPI mandate for blocking funds within 48 hours from the submission of IPO bidding. In case of ASBA facility, client can take print out of the application form and check all the details as appearing in the application form, that is, applicant name, PAN, demat, bank, bank branch, category, subcategory, series and amount. Client will be required to check whether all the details filled in the application form are correct. If the same are correct, client need to sign signatures 5A or 5B or 5C for first or second or third applicant and 5D for ASBA bank account holders. The client is to submit the application form at the respective bank branch of the form submission location selected while submitting online bidding. If the client is located in the locations given on screen, he can submit the application form to the ground floor reception of the mentioned buildings. Kindly note that the form needs to be submitted on or before the issue closure date. The client will have to ensure funds are available in the account for blocking. The client will have to do the same signature in the application form, which is mapped in their bank account and is to be used for blocking. Modification or cancellation. In case client wish to modify or cancel the bid, he or she would need to send the email at det.ipo@trustgroup.in, along with the IPO bidding details, from the registered email ID. For all queries regarding online application filling, clarification and support, please call on the displayed numbers, between 9 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Here's an example of correctly filled online form. Thank you for watching this video.